Hi, I'm Lauren, and this is BrainStuff. Do you remember your prom? Or maybe you haven't been to prom yet? Either way, it is a strange ritual that many American teenagers have to go through before they graduate from high school. So where did prom...
They're all going to laugh at you, Lauren.
You did this? Why?
Hello, my name is Dr. Anton Jessup, curator of monster studies here at the university. I've noticed there's something not quite right about Lauren here, and this was a monster science experiment to see if she's telekinetic, like that girl Carrie.
Did you dump actual blood on me?
The mere fact that you can't tell what kind of blood it is demonstrates that you're not human. The Annals of Human Biology published an article in 2012 showing that humans are excellent detectors of pig's blood, but far less developed at detecting human blood. They concluded that human blood has no specific smell or appearance that triggers immediate recognition.
No specific, it's wet and red.
Oh, seriously? Did you dump actual pig blood on her?
Yes?
That's disgusting.
See, Julie can tell that it's pig blood, and she's disgusted. That correlates with the data that humans are sensitive to animal blood. Possibly it enhances the senses to alert humans to potential danger.
All right, get out. Back to your basement. Go, 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 go. Oh, let's get you cleaned up. Oh, here you go.
Thanks. Stuff is never gonna come out. Why does blood have to be so red?
Well, it's always red. Contrary to popular belief, it's not blue in the body, even if the blood is deoxygenated.
But the oxygen has something to do with it, right? That and the hemoglobin, the protein molecule that binds to the oxygen and carries it from the lungs throughout the rest of the body.
Yeah, while blood is always red, it's kind of different colors depending on how much oxygen it's carrying inside of it. In fact, if we were to open up one of your arteries right now, we would see that it would be super bright red because it was interacting with all this iron and hemoglobin and oxygen. But if we were dig into your circulatory system and we found this vein that was all ooh, I gave away all my oxygen, it would be this kind of maroon, brown, reddish color.
So veins look blue or green because of the skin?
Yeah, I mean, skin pigmentation is a really big part of it, but all of our veins look differently because we all have different skin color, especially if you consider that this tissue right above the veins, well, it's scattering light, like red light, okay? But blue light goes directly in, so that's why even though on the inside it's this maroon red color, we perceive it as blue on the outside.
I think I get it. So light-colored skin reflects most light, and blood, especially that deep deoxygenated blood, absorbs most light. It reflects some blue and a little bit more red. But since the skin around those veins is reflecting and scattering a lot of red, the veins look bluer by comparison, yeah? The ratio is so skewed that it tricks the eye.
Totally! Life is an illusion, that's what you're saying, right? Especially if you consider that some animals bleed other colors other than red. I mean, if you look at slugs and mollusks, they bleed blue. By the way, are you okay?
I'm fine. I just need to get back to this prom episode. Yeah. If I don't finish it soon, Mama's gonna put me back in my closet.
What?
See, I knew there was something odd about Lauren, but my studies on blood have not quite yet concluded. Do you have something you would like to contribute to the discussion? Well, send me a letter here at the university. In transmission.